definitely an informal one is the commenting, right? I think for me at least, working with the team, that ability to critique async, especially the time that we took this on, like with everyone being remote already, and because of the COVID landscape that we found ourselves in, there was a lot more ability to critique and review and comment on work. I don't know that we've necessarily had any formal workflows yet, though. I wouldn't say.
I mean, it depends how we're looking at workflow. If we're just talking about like the way we make components. I mean, I will say that for like Joelle and myself and the rest of the team, it's way more fluid in Figma, right? Just that ability to jump in, leave comments. I mean, and we have designers in Dublin, like a bunch of designers in Dublin. We, I'll make comments at the end of my day. In the morning, I have all my answers. They're sitting there waiting. I mean, sure, you could do that in Envision, but then once I start my day and Joelle and I are hopping in a file, it's just, everything's just easier now with multiplayer. It's just made a huge difference.